Hello and welcome to this very special edition of Chalkwell Hall News. On today's show, we are going to be exploring the reach value of being healthy. I have a panel of experts who are going to join me in giving us great advice on how we can be healthy at the moment, especially at a time when our normal routines aren't in place. So here I am with Mrs. Maynard, who is our representative from the Health and Wellbeing team here at Chalkwell Infants. Mrs. Maynard, what would you say are your top 3 things for staying healthy at the moment?
Okay, so I'd say the first thing is staying active, whether that's going into your garden or taking a walk around your neighbourhood. It's staying active, doing things such as baking or doing creative crafts, trying to stay off those screens as much as you can. And the second thing I would say is to stay connected. Stay connected to your friends, stay connected to your family. You can write them letters, you can call them, you can FaceTime them. Stay connected at this difficult time is really important. And the third and final thing would be to think about your body, keeping your body healthy by eating healthy foods and making sure you're getting enough sleep.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Maynard. There's 3 really good bits of advice there. I wonder what the other children at Chalkwell are doing to stay healthy at the moment.
I stay healthy by riding my bike. I stay healthy by riding my bike and eating lots of vegetables. I stay healthy doing lots of walks with my family.
This young lady stays healthy by eating lots of fruits and vegetables that are good for her.
Now can I show my pictures?
Yeah. Lovely. And the other one. Well done. Mrs. Matthews, tell us a key way to stay healthy at the moment.
Well, at the moment, as you know, it's really important to wash our hands. So we have to make sure we've got lots of soap and we wash our hands for at least 20 seconds and we wash our hands often so that we stay healthy. Make sure you get all the soap off. And then, lastly, remember to dry your hands thoroughly.
And that's all we've got time for today on today's special edition of Chalkwell Hall News. The children of Chalkwell Hall Infant School are invited to share their ideas of how they stay healthy in the comments below. Until next time, goodbye.